everyone. I hope you all are practicing your maths regularly. I'm Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your maths teacher from Venus Small Wonder School. In our last lessons, we discussed how to add, subtract, divide and multiply integers. But what if we have to simplify expression with multiple operation? For this, we have to know about the order of operations to solve such expression. We have a pattern known as BODMAS to solve such expression. When we have such expression which have multiple operations, we always use BODMAS rule. Let us discuss BODMAS in detail.
Always remember, good mathematics is not about how many answers you know. It's how you behave when you don't know. So, what is order of operations? The rule or steps which is to be followed while solving expressions with multiple operations is order of operation. It is also referred as BODMAS. According to it, we start solving expression step by step. The first step, that is B, which stands for brackets. That is, we have to solve bracket first, starting from the innermost bracket first. The brackets include line bracket, small brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. Next is O, which stands for off. It states that we have to change off into x, that is multiply. The next operation we have to do it is D, that is division. We have to solve bracket first, change off into multiply, and the third step is division. We have to perform division. After that, we perform M, that is multiplication, and the next we perform A, that is addition. At last, we perform S, that is subtraction. We have to always follow this order while solving examples. It is not always that the expression include all these operations. It shows the preferences among the operations in that given expression. What to solve first? Let us practice how to simplify examples using BODMAS rule. We have 6 plus 54 divided by 2 minus 4 into 5. So, the expression contains multiple operations. We don't have brackets here, so we will perform the next step, that is division. Therefore, 54 divided by 2. We can also perform rough work. So, 54 divided by 2 is 27. So, now we have 6 plus 27 minus 4 into 5. Now we will multiply, that is minus 4 into 5. We get minus 20. Now we have 6 plus 27 minus 20. The next operation is addition, that is 6 plus 27. We get 33. And now the expression is 33 minus 20. At last, subtraction, and the answer is 13. Now pause the video. Go through the example once again. Copy down in your notebook and solve it. Let us take one more example. Look at the example carefully and remember the BODMAS rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The innermost bracket is what we have to solve first. That is 50 into minus 3 and it is minus 150. So we get 490 minus 150 minus 250 divided by 5. Here, after that we will solve curly brackets, that is 490 minus 150. We get 490 plus 150 as we change the subtraction into addition and the answer will be 640. So now we have 640 minus 250 divided by 5. We will solve the square brackets now. So we can see in our rough work we get 390. At last we have 390 divided by 5 and the answer is 78. Pause the video and try to solve it in your notebook using steps as I taught you. Let us take another example. Read the example carefully. You can see we have curly bracket as innermost bracket. So we will solve it first. 15 divided by minus 5 and what we get? Yes, it is minus 3. So now our expression is like this. The next thing we do is change off into multiply. We get this expression. Now we will solve the square brackets. We have multiplication and addition in it. As per rule, we will do multiplication first. Therefore, minus 20 into minus 16. We get plus 320. After that, we solve 320 plus minus 3, that is 370. At last, we get minus 125 minus 370 and the answer is, look at the rough work, it is minus 442. Pause the video again, note down the example and solve it in your notebook. You need to practice more in order to be able to solve this expression using BODMAS rule easily. I am providing you some examples. Solve them in your notebook. Remember, you need to practice them to master them. Thank you.